Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, let's write a Python program to print all the positive divisors of the given number. Positive divisors of a numbers are the positive integers that divide it evenly, leaving no remainder including 1 and itself. For example, if the number is 15, then 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the positive divisors of the 15. To find the positive divisors, what we can do is we can start from 1 and we can divide the number by 1 and we can check for the remainder. If we get remainder as 0, then 1 is the positive divisor of the 15. Then go to the next number. Divide the number by 2. Check for the remainder. If remainder is 0, then 2 is the positive divisor of the 15. If not, then 2 is not the positive divisor of the 15. We need to do this till 15. So to find all the positive divisors of the given number, we need to start dividing the number from 1 to till that number. If remainder is 0, then that number completely divides the given number. So that is the positive divisor of that number, right? Let's write the program. In the Python file, first let's take the input. Input of our program is a number, integer number. So here we'll use input function to take input and this message will display on the output screen. Enter a number and here we want an integer number. So we'll convert the input to integer using int function and we'll store the user entered input in this variable called num. Next, to print all the positive divisor of the given number, we need to start dividing that number from 1 to till that number, right? And we need to check for the remainder. So for that, I'll use a loop and in that I'll take range as 1 to num plus 1. Next here, we'll check if num divided by I. So initially I will be 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, like that, is equal to 0. We need to check for the remainder, right? So if remainder is 0, then I is the positive divisor of the given number. So we need to use modulo operation and we need to check for the remainder like this. And if remainder is 0, then that number is the positive divisor of the given number. So I'll print that number. If it is not, then do nothing. Go to the next number, right? And we are done here. So let's save this and execute this. Let's enter 15. 1, 3, 5, 15, 101. 19101. It is a prime number. Let's take 25. 1, 5 and 25. So in this way, you can print all the positive divisors of the given number. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.